News just coming in. Interest rates in Provident Fund has been increased to 8.5%. It is quite a good bit of news. It's the government's budget swap to Babu's, in fact, where the interest on the Provident Fund has been increased to 8.5%. It's up by 0.25%. Earlier it was 8.25% and now it has gone up to 8.5%, which means an increase on the interest rate by about 0.25%. Alright, headlines. Today's associate editor Rukmini Vishwanath is through with us. Explain to our viewers, Rukmini, why this is going to be a good piece of news for a lot of people in government jobs.
Well, it's really good news for the common man, because this is one of the few modes of interest income or security deposits that people have in this country. EPF has been raised to 8.50%, which is just ahead of the union budget announcements on 28th. So you can think that this is one of those largesses that the government is extending, but right ahead of the budget this time around.
Alright, so electionomics is what we were calling our budget coverage, but it seems that the election economics has already started even before the union budget is tabled, Rukmini.
Absolutely. This is something which is in line with what we're expecting. A lot of people have been talking about how Chidambaram will have to, really walk the tightrope between populism and pragmatism. But this is something which will really come as a big boon to a lot of common man, to the common man and the average depositor, average investor, at a time when growth is at a 10-year low, at a time when we are spiraling under price rise, reeling under spiraling price rise, and at a time when the economy is seeing such a slowdown. So this is one of the few government provident funds, government deposits that really offer some secure returns. So this is something that will be very welcome.
All right, for now, thank you very much, Rukmini, for joining us.